In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the $20 Vevor chainsaw mill from Amazon. I'm going to be showing you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Oh, you're absolutely f***ing me. Okay. So this is what came in the box. I'm thinking setup's as easy as... It honestly doesn't feel like that bad of a quality. It's pretty heavy. It's not as light as I thought it would be. From what I've saw, I think the best way is to level two 2x4s on the end. We got to square up this end before we can do that. Yeah, we're gonna have to shave down the middle. Good enough for me. All right, let's go see how this thing attaches. So you unscrew these until you can fit the bar in there. So it connects here at the bottom. 3 set screws in the back. All right, let's get this thing fired up and test it out. I'm not gonna say it was the company. It was definitely user error. I mean, it works. I may have to go buy another locking nut now. Well, I can't find it, so I'm just gonna finish up the cut without it, which is not recommended. Don't do that. And then I guess I'm gonna go buy another one. That wasn't my fault. Oh man, this wore loose and then this fell out. And I tightened those down. I have it on video. Yep, ate it up. There goes the chain. Don't run it without a nylock, which is what I did. That's my fault. Don't do that. But that coming loose and breaking on me, I don't think that was my fault. I think I'm gonna go to town, try to find these 2 parts I'm missing, and then I guess cut back and hope I don't ruin my chainsaw anymore. Well, I just got back from town where I got to spend 30 minutes messing around with those stupid screw displays where everyone just opens up all these packages and throws them where they don't belong. But I think we have what's needed to fix it. Oh God, this is the worst thing ever. Nut on. Oh, you're absolutely me. Here we go again. No way. Oh, that was the wrong one. That wasn't even the one I just bought. Okay. Here we go. So as we can see, it does work. Would I recommend buying it? If all you're gonna do is square up some logs. Let's say you're building a cabin and you need 2 straight sides, I'd say get it. But if you're gonna do what I'm doing, which is trying to like mill up slabs, and I don't think so. I'm definitely gonna keep it around for squaring it up easily, but I think I'd rather just buy the money for an Alaskan chainsaw mill, which also, I don't know if it's meant for this type of work. I think it is just for edging, but it's good. I mean, 2 trips to town, but it works. It's not bad at all. Yeah, I'd say for 20 bucks, get it. It's not bad at all. Well, that's all I'm gonna be able to do today. Please consider subscribing for more homestead videos. It worked pretty good. I will be using it more over the next couple of weeks, so I'll make an update video in a week or 2 telling you what I like about it, what I don't. And after I have some more experience, I can tell you definitely whether to buy it or not. But right now, it's looking, for 20 bucks, it's not bad. I'll just say that. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing for more homestead videos, and have a great day.